I just really wanted to quickly show you this really cool feature in Windows Notepad, default Windows Notepad. So I'm just going to assume you have open it, and this feature is defining words and looking them up using Bing. So let's say I just typed in the word chicken, and then I use Control Shift, highlight it, and hit Control E on my keyboard. It will open up the word chicken on Bing search, and I can see recipes for chicken. I can click on breed, see information about the breed, diseases chickens can get, uh, history of chickens, just all this really cool information. And you can do this with any word, not just chickens. Let's say you are a student and need to find a word. I'm just gonna do book. Whoops. And you can do the same thing. Look it up, and you can see all the information about the word book. So yeah, that's very cool. It's a feature that I think you guys would think is very cool. So thanks for checking out this video.